Here, not those guys.
Yo!
Holy shit.
I won't get eggs for a month now. Kind of late in here, look.
Oh shit. I went after the nifty one.
Bigger picture?
No, video. This is all on video.
Yo, I'm pretty sure I just stressed out a
There you go.
I just got one.
Okay, go and get that one there.
Alright,
Follow me.
I just ruined the egg situation, right?
What?
The eggs? Oh, it's fucking with me.
No, you gotta get his wings. There you go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nighttime's easy. You can't see you coming with the lights, see?
Alright, he's gonna shit right on me.
Okay, follow me.
Little shit machine.
Up here with the light. Up here,
Look at this one, he's just so
This looks like an episode of Cops.
You know, this is how scary movies start.
Yeah, this is exactly. They're freaking.
This is exactly how scary movies start.
You guys have this plan. I'm dying right now, aren't I?
Come around,
There's a key in a bag.
Threatening them with chicken pussy.
Who's that you got there?
Rooster's gonna get laid, love.
Yo, this one's having trouble breathing.
Throw them in here.
Just toss her?
No, you can put them back on the first.
Yeah, throw it.
Oh, yeah. I don't know, you see in the movies, they just toss them a chicken. Alright, that's a rooster. This
Here,
one
look.
doesn't lay eggs.
Right here, look.
Alright,
First.
Dip.
Okay. Now, this one's for you.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so they're in there now. Okay?
Yeah.
You open this door.
I'm going in there.
The red one is right here.
Which red one? The big one?
You know the red bird you seen earlier? Over there?
Not the. What do you mean? The fries bird.
The
red
rooster.
one, the red rooster that was over
Yeah.
by the hens on this pin. But
Yeah.
you asked why he was by himself.
Yeah, the intense one.
He was not intense.
Alright, I gotta take him on.
You're going to grab him. You got to get his wings now so he's not flapping, right? First try. One grab. Boom. You got him.
Alright.
Okay?
What's the backup plan?
And then you're going to get him right in there and carry him down and put him in where we just took those two out of.
I got June bugs flying on me. I got my nice white shirt on here.
Okay, Dad, here, give me the light.
Just grab them and then tuck them under my arm.
It's right there, look.
It seems a little juicy.
Pick him up, bro.
I've been there. Hold on.
Pick him up, bro. Put his wings down. There you go. There you go. There. Oh,
Grab him, boy. Grab him.
Oh, show that! I should have scrubbed
You
this off.
can't see
You can't see that.
Don't let me fucking rooster out. No. Grab him. Is he gone out or what? Where is he? He's out the hole?
Yeah.
Watch out, man. You don't want to run out. Come out.
I get it.
Get the fuck out of here.
No, that was way too funny.
Okay, so you're not...
I'm in there with his wild. It's not a bull, bro. All of a sudden, we're just like wrangling each other, man. I'm pretty sure I got flat. You failed. Oh, how awesome was that? That was so much better. That was fucking awesome.